Solving inequalities is just like solving equations. With this problem, we're going to add 4 on both sides, and we're going to get x is less than 14. The next problem involves 2 steps where we're going to subtract 6 on both sides. We're going to get 2x is greater than 8. Then we're going to divide both sides by 2, and we're going to get x is greater than 4. In this problem, we have variables on both sides. When I solve problems, I bring all variables to the left-hand side and all numbers to the right-hand side. So I'll first subtract 2x on both sides. We're going to get 8 minus 3x is less than or equal to negative 1. Subtract 8 on both sides. We're going to get negative 3x is less than or equal to negative 9. Divide both sides by negative 3. And with inequalities, when you divide or multiply by a negative number, you must remember to flip the sign. And negative 9 divided by negative 3 is 3. We have 2 variables on the same side here. We have an x and we have a negative 2x. When we combine those, we get negative x plus the 7 greater than or equal to 0. Subtract 7 on both sides. Negative x is greater than or equal to negative 7. And again, we're going to divide both sides by negative 1. And we're going to get x is less than or equal to 7. Add x on both sides. X plus x is 2x plus 3 is less than negative 3. Subtract the 3 on both sides. We get 2x is less than a negative 6. Divide both sides by 2. And x is less than negative 3. Subtract 7 on both sides. We'll get 10x is less than a negative 10. Divide both sides by 10. And x is less than negative 1. Subtract 5x on both sides. Negative 3x plus 3 less than or equal to a negative 6. Subtract 3 on both sides. Negative 3x is less than or equal to negative 9. Divide both sides by negative 3. And again, since we're dividing by negative, we have to flip the sign. And x is greater than or equal to 3. With this problem, we're first going to distribute the 3. So we get 3x minus 12 is less than 3. Add the 12 to both sides. We're going to get 3x less than 15. Divide both sides by 3. And we get x is less than 5. We're going to distribute on both sides here. We're going to get 2x plus 6 greater than or equal to 4x minus 4. Subtract the 4x on both sides. We're going to get negative 2x plus 6 greater than or equal to negative 4. Subtract the 6. You get negative 2x greater than or equal to negative 10. Divide by negative 2. And x is less than or equal to positive 5.